Something which you have wished upon, one thing that you did, will be coming true. Hello, Aries. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely moonions. This is a mid-monthly reading for August 2020. We will be looking into love and anything else that the spirit has for us. Alright, 16th of August until the end of 2020, Mars, your planet, is coming back to your sign, is moving into Aries for the rest of 2020. So that is really, really nice. Your own planet coming into your sign. So just one thing which you have to take into consideration, along with the Uranus retrograde, which will commence just before the mid-monthly occurs, I think on 13th or the 14th. This is a time where things spruce up, you are ready to go forward, and inspiration comes in, but just keep that impulsiveness in check. That is something that you just have to be a little aware of. You can of course utilize that excessive amount of energy into something more productive and make the whole situation, turn it into your own advantage. Alright, so we have the Watcher coming in with the Queen of Mirrors, Queen of Cups coming in. And this is talking about, especially if someone has been going through a lot of emotions, this is saying that yes, there was certain kind of window which was opening up for you to look into the past, and now is a time where you reflect. You have perhaps, now you acknowledge it, learn from what you can from the past, release it, because now you are ready to move forward. You are ready to embrace it all. That is a very nice energy which is coming in. Someone who's feeling in their element, emotionally strong as well, more happier with who they are, embracing their true authenticity, and a lot of compassion also which is coming through. Inward, growing inwards, flowing outwards, and then attracting the same towards yourself. We have the Phoenix also coming in, very interesting energy, Phoenix rising. So this could be a time where something of the past which you kind of remember or cross path with again with a similar situation in the present, and it just talks about letting go of what you have learned into ashes, something which is more built up or as a defense mechanism contributed by your ego self, allowing it to be burnt in the fire, going up, and the ashes coming down with wisdom. That kind of a thing is coming in. Let go of things which are now obsolete. That is what is coming through. With the Judgment card over here, this is talking about something kind of a judicial thing which is going on, certain kind of decision which is made in your favor. Apart from that, this also talks about take everything into consideration. If you're feeling stuck and indecisive, maybe, or at a creative block, this may be a time to really consider the traditional and the modern point of view or methods, and then come up with your own creative solution. This also talks about what have you been constantly feeling is not right in your life, or someone's actions towards you and you felt disrespected but you couldn't say anything. Right now you will, or in the weeks to come, you will start feeling that confidence, strength to speak up what is right for you, or making certain kind of changes which brings more simplification in your life and enhances your authenticity is also what is coming in. Someone who is ready to speak, to communicate what is in his or her heart, that is also what is coming in. Or just generally being more confident into what you're saying to others, becoming aware of that. Somewhere down the line, communication is coming through. We have Ace of Spirals also coming in. This is really, really interesting, because now we have a good idea which is coming through. So yes, there were certain kind of emotions, waves, tides which were low vibrational or just keeping us hostile. Now we are letting go of those things, letting go of the turmoil. We are getting up and rising, ascending. And with your ascension, your love life will also be ascending. And apart from that, this also talks about this is the time to start taking actions. Your dreams could be you get inspired and suddenly these bursts of ideas start coming in. So instead, even if you can't really immediately implement those ideas, jot them down. That is also what is coming in. Very, very nice burst of energy, which I can see over here with the Ace of Spirals coming in over here. You are coming into your element, and the more you embrace your authenticity while keeping compassion in your heart and spreading the same inspiration, I feel like more opportunities will start coming in. You start taking one step towards your dreams, or like there's this surge of inspiration, wisdom, messages which are coming in. You take one step after a lot of thought that you have given. You're feeling inspired to take your life in one direction, and the moment you start doing it while overcoming the uncertainties or the fear of the unknown, the moment you overcome that, you start seeing there's a positive domino effect which starts happening. That is what I'm seeing over here. And we have the Wheel also coming in. This is so interesting. The Wheel of Fortune is coming through. Delays are over. Travel is also what is coming in. So if you are in a lockdown, this may be a time to travel, spiritually tap into your altered state. But apart from that, anything that was hostile in your life, the momentum will be back, is what I'm seeing over here, whether internally or even externally. But a push to go forward towards the direction that you feel, or how do I say, there's so much energy, it's like crazy. It's a lot of energy which is going on over here. Emotional burden, whatever kind was there, will be going away. So I'm seeing a lot of freedom and independence, feeling more in control of your emotions, of your life, of the trajectory of your career, feeling inspired, motivated to go forward, taking initiations. That kind of energy is coming in. A new phase kind of a thing is coming through. Things lining up, things finally start making sense. Why were certain things there, or why did I experience for the last 2-3 weeks, why was I feeling a certain kind of heavy energy, and suddenly something in the present occurs. I'm just saying, may or may not resonate, but something in the present occurs, and then suddenly it all makes sense. The lingering energy which was being experienced in the past few weeks, it all starts making sense, because you can connect this present circumstance with something in the past and recall on what you learned from it and imply it over here. And some kind of a conscious change that you make is what I'm seeing over here. And with that initiation, or even as simple as choosing more positive thoughts kind of a thing, it just changes. That is what I'm seeing over here. A slight change that is made. A little bit of perhaps looking at the whole perspective, understanding things from the other person's perspective as well. But this is more of like someone who wants to achieve their dreams, or this person is what I'm seeing over here. Very, very strong, eminent energy which is coming in. Someone who is ready to embrace it all, learning from the mistakes of the past, not getting tied down, because this person at the very same time is freeing themselves, making space for love and miracles, abundance to come their way, because they know that they are not limited by fear or the experiences that happened in the past. Over here, I see someone who wants to start a new phase which comes in. Certain kind of action which wasn't taken is now. Someone who has been delaying things will start lining things up properly, is what I'm seeing over here. Could also be like this person who's becoming emotionally more of their true self, rather authentic self, is being able to articulate the same what they're feeling about the situation with the other person. And this initiation really inspires this person to step it up, is something which is also coming in over here. Proposal energy is in a way coming in, but this seems more like professional energy which is coming in, or even emotionally, but something new. That kind of a thing is coming through. Or perhaps if you're single and you're not really into anyone at the moment, could be like this person comes in and they seem very similar to your own thinking. Their principles are very same, the take on life is very same. So that may be a twist which comes through, and it is quite unexpected which happens. That is also what is coming in. Very much similar energies are coming in over here. Overcoming the emotional turmoil kind of a energy with the Queen of Mirrors over here, and with the Ace of Spirals, ready to start something new is what I'm seeing over here. Someone who's inspired, motivated to change life, to enjoy life fully. That kind of a thing is coming through. Let's look into the clarifiers. Thank you. We have Hermit coming in, Virgo Major Arcana coming through, and this one over here is talking about certain kind of retreating from the society, especially if you are feeling quite overwhelmed, tired, fatigued. Rest and rejuvenate will be very essential, but certain kind of reflection which is very much required. This Hermit thing coming in is again like, you know, if you have been separated from the society, like we almost everyone is, use this time to connect with yourself, to really reanalyze your own reality. What is truly essential or true to your core? What are your core values? That is also coming in, which may be different from the society as well, is what is coming through. There's this light at the end of the tunnel kind of a thing which is coming in, or even could be like, you know, when the Hermit comes in, it couldn't be like your own spiritual journey, but someone else's spiritual journey, or the teacher which will be coming in because the student is now ready. That is what is coming in, whether in person in this 3D realm, or perhaps even the universe or the spiritual realm which is coming in to assist you. That is also what is coming in. Dive deeper to understand your own reality, to discover, unravel the depths of your personality, what is already known, the teachings of your own soul, listening to your higher self as well, because at the end, it is always looking out for your higher good. All right. We have Wheel of Fortune also coming in. So this one coming in reverse is like not so quick. So what I'm seeing over here is like pace things out. Let's not get impulsive. When like there's this clarity, eureka moment kind of a thing which is coming in, and suddenly getting this jive back in life and really feeling happy with where you are and getting inspired as to where you want to go. But the in between, don't get impatient about achieving your dreams. They will be happening. There's a bit of divine timing and surprise which is always there. That element is always there, and realizing what you can control and what is beyond your control, that kind of acknowledgement is very much essential, and impatience will not really help. Any kind of rash decision will also not really help. So while there is a lot of enthusiasm which is coming in, let's utilize it with a little bit of moderation, or just avoid a little bit of exaggeration of any kind. That is what I'm seeing over here. So with the exaggerate, oh my god, too excited, too much life force energy is flowing in. Anything which is excess, which needs to be reduced a little, that is also what is coming in. Stressing, if you have been stressing a lot, understand why. Is it there? Is it because you're too married to the final outcome, that you're not even allowing a little bit of change or customization to happen, which will be more in sync with who you are growing into? That is also what is coming through. Like, you know, when we start a journey, yes, there are certain kind of milestones which we put out there, but slowly and steadily, like, you know, if you are an artist, say you are an artist, you start off and you have this goal of being able to make the right proportionate face at least, and you start off with that, like, you know, in a month I'll get there kind of a thing. But the moment you start, you realize that it's just going to take you 3 weeks because you have been working towards it. So the speed comes in. So you won't really say, oh, let's just stop it, slow it down, because I have 1 month. I've given myself 1 month to achieve it, you know. So I don't know how to explain it, because when I started seeing an artist, I started visualizing the drawing, and then I just drifted. But in the same timeline, what happens is, like, you know, you finished off achieving your goal a week before, and you already started with something new, or like getting the face to become more realistic kind of a thing. So in the period, the timeline that you had for yourself, you got so invested and you were enjoying yourself that you mastered that skill a little more quickly and made space for something more to come your way. So it's in a way that, like, you are working towards something, some goal that you want to achieve, and along the way you keep on widening your scope. That is also what is coming in. So it's just like, keep an open mind for something additional to come your way as well, is what I'm saying over here. Let's not get fixated on a particular goal. Let's understand which way are we going and what are the essential tools or steps which are required, and keep doing that. But at the very same time, have an open mind for good surprises to come your way. That is what I meant to say. Alright, let's lastly see what the fairies and angels have for you. Thank you. So we have transformation coming in. This fairy tells you to surrender to a transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. And I was just saying, your higher self is looking out for you and doing things, or even directing you for your higher good. Embrace your transformation. The best is yet to come. So yes, there could be a little bit of delay which may be happening, or a little bit of moderation in the expectations that you have, which is coming in. But at the very end of it, you will see that things are like, picking up pace. Anything which was delayed or was obstructed due to external elements, they will be removed, the obstacles will be removed, and whatever it was which lost its momentum will be coming back in its vibe, or its speed will be picking up. So that is what is coming in. Delays will be over, and something which you have wished upon, one thing that you did wish upon, will be coming true into a waking reality. You will be experiencing that is coming in very, very strongly. So any kind of changes that you're making, just make sure that you give yourself the patience and the persistence to keep going forward. Just because one day didn't go according to plan, let's not give out or give away the plan or sack the plan completely, is what is coming in. Take one day at a time. And sometimes if you feel that you can't do it, then do something fun, rest and rejuvenate, take some time, take your own time for some time. And remember that tomorrow is another day. So that is what is coming in. Thank you so much for your precious time. And do let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. If you aren't already, then please do subscribe, share it with your loved ones, comment below and hit the like. Until next time, love, light, clarity, empowerment, transformations, and revelations to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonian.